In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Blender's compositor to denoise any render images that were not denoised in the past. Let's remove the default cube, and go to the compositor. I'll zoom in shortly. We need Image, Denoise, Composite, and Viewer nodes. Please open any previously rendered images that were not denoised. There is our denoise preview. That's how quick it is to get the denoise result on any images. Here are the full nodes. I'll show you how to enhance the image further, by adding more color nodes. The color nodes can change the overall look of the images freely, and it's a powerful set of nodes everyone needs to use. If you're familiar with Photoshop, think of them as image adjustment tools. When we make changes to the node values, we must wait a few seconds to see the result. Please feel free to experiment with various nodes and their values to make the best composite result. The image is now far more brighter and denoised, when compared to the original image. We must render the scene, in order to get the result, and it will only take a few seconds. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.